They say money makes money. But here's the truth. Ideas make money. Some of the world's biggest empires began with empty pockets, but full minds. Today, you'll learn exactly how to turn nothing into something, and start your own $0 startup using only your skills, your phone, and your mindset. Every entrepreneur starts with doubt, but the difference between success and failure isn't money, it's belief. You don't need resources, you need resourcefulness. The greatest capital in the world is not money, it's your creativity, your consistency, and your courage to start anyway. Before you look for investors or funding, ask yourself, what skill can I use today? The internet has made knowledge the new currency. Maybe you can write, design, cook, repair, teach, or edit. Those skills are doors, and online platforms are the handles. Freelancing sites, TikTok, YouTube, and digital stores allow you to earn before you ever spend. You can start a brand without spending $1, using free tools that already exist. Create a logo on Canva. Post your brand story on social media. Use ChatGPT or Notion to plan your ideas. Build your first audience on Instagram, YouTube, or X. Don't wait for perfection. Just start posting value, teach, inspire, entertain, or solve a problem. That's how a brand begins, with consistency, not capital. Once you've built trust, income follows. Offer simple digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, or services. Remember, people don't pay for what you do, they pay for what you help them achieve. Focus on solving one small problem consistently, and your $0 startup becomes a real business. Every successful founder failed before they won. They just learned faster. Failure is tuition, it costs time, not defeat. Every mistake teaches you what not to repeat, and every setback brings you closer to success. So here's your challenge. Stop waiting for money. Start creating value. Because the most powerful startup in the world is a human mind that refuses to give up. Start today. Your $0 startup is already in your hands.